Hello everybody, my name is Arielle and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I am going to be doing another unboxing video. Recently I did another unboxing video about unboxing my new MacBook Pro. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna go ahead and link it right above if you wanna go check that out if you're thinking about upgrading your computer or are just interested in seeing what that unboxing looks like. So at the same time I decided to buy my new Apple MacBook Pro, I also decided to splurge and purchase these new AirPods. I've been looking at them for a while and I finally just decided to take the plunge. So stay tuned if you would like to see the unboxing of the new Apple AirPod Pros. Okay everybody, here they are, the new Apple AirPod Pros. This box is a lot more manageable to open than the Apple MacBook Pro box that I opened in my last video. So I'm really excited to open this and see what we have inside. I've actually never interacted with these in person. I've only seen them online and I have seen at a distance other people using them. So I'm really excited to go ahead and open these. Let's just get right into the good part. I will be using these AirPods in medical school and I'm really excited to open them up and see what all the hype is about. Okay, I'm going to give you a better angle of what this unboxing looks like. It's pretty small packaging, so let's just see how they have this all put together inside. Okay, I am going to go ahead and open these. We have a nice tab right here, just like on Apple's MacBook Pro unboxing. They have the same tab, so like I said previously, very user-friendly for opening. We are not going to be bogged down by difficult packaging, which is great. So here we go. We are going to go ahead and see what this looks like from above, so you have a little bit better angle of what we have here. It's a pretty thick box. I don't know if you can see that. We have our wonderful little information card here that Apple includes in all of their packaging. So we'll go ahead and put that aside. And here we go. What a nice little packaging. So this is going to be the charging box for these AirPods. I have never had AirPods before. I think I said that earlier, so I am not sure what to expect with this exactly. Now that we have removed our case, I see a little indicator to open this up, so let's see what we have in here. It looks like a charging cable that connects to that case, and in here we have some little earbuds that go with our new AirPods. I just wanted to explain why I actually decided to go ahead and get these. Apple's design for their earbuds have never stayed in my ear. I've used them maybe when I'm studying and I forgot to bring my noise canceling headphones, or if I needed headphones in a pinch, then I would definitely go and grab for those headphones that come with your iPhone. They've never stayed in my ear. For example, I've never been able to go on a jog or go biking with them. They always fall out of my ear for whatever reason. I don't know if that's something that happens to a lot of people or if it's just something that happens to me personally. Maybe I have a weird ear anatomy. So that's why I've stayed away from buying the AirPods before now. It's such an expensive piece of electronic equipment that I couldn't justify buying something like that if I just thought it was going to fall right out of my ear when I was using it. I have never owned wireless headphones. I've never found ones that work well with my ears, so I've never really seen the reason to spend a lot of money on it. I've never found a design that really worked for me or something that I felt was worth purchasing and spending that much money on before now. So when the AirPod Pros were released, I started actually looking at them with interest in purchasing because I figured, hey, those have the little rubber piece that sit in your ear and maybe those won't fall out of my ear. Okay everybody, now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and open up this smaller packaging and see what this looks like. So we have another tab here, more with that frustration-free packaging. And let's open it back here. Okay, this is a really nice sleek case. I am just looking at the size right now, and one of the first little thoughts that popped into my head was I really hope that I don't lose this case. It's very small and much lower profile than my current Bose noise canceling headphones, so I'm a little bit nervous about losing them. So I'm interested to research to see if there's any kind of a carabiner or anything that I can use to secure this to my backpack and my belongings so that perhaps that doesn't happen. I'm sure somebody has thought of this before. I can't be the first one to have this thought. I just want to show you what this is going to look like. So on the back, we have a little metal detail for that hinge that is on this. And we have the charging port down here. So I am going to show you what this looks like here. I've never done this before, so this will be interesting. Okay. That is awesome. So guys, that is what it looks like inside. It looks like they do come with these little pieces already secure. The box also did come with another set of these, so I guess you can go ahead and change these out with whichever ones fit your ear. And like I said before, that is one of the major reasons that I decided to purchase these. So I'm really happy about this customization option, and I will absolutely be trying them out and seeing which one fits my ear the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my iPhone and try to set these up and see what that setup process is going to look like. Okay, everybody, so I have my iPhone here and the Apple AirPod Pros, and I'm going to walk you through what this setup process is going to look like on the iPhone. So let's see what happens if these come up as an option. Okay. Oh, hey, look at that. So I'm going to put those right there. I don't know if we have to leave them open or not. Like I said, I'm not a tech nerd. I don't know. I'm just a normal person trying to figure this out, like most of you, I'm sure. Okay, so media control. Press once on either AirPod. Okay, so we are going through a little menu of explaining what to do here. Control center. Okay. Great, so this is a really helpful tutorial for me because I am not familiar with how to use these at all. I've not done my research. Okay, so let's just set up Siri. Like I said earlier, I'm not a huge fan of Siri. I don't use it on my phone, but just for the sake of setup, let's see what that would look like.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, it is ready. We're going to continue. Okay, so now that these are all set up, the moment of truth, I'm going to try them on and put them in my ear and see if they actually fit and if it seems like they're going to stay put. Another thing I wanted to mention about this, just really quickly as I am pulling them out, this is a little magnetic case, so it's holding onto it as I'm trying to pull it out. I don't know if you can really tell here, but as I tried to pull it out, there's a little bit of resistance, so I guess these lock into the bottom magnetically to charge. I'm going to take these and try to put them on and just see what my first impressions are of whether or not I think these are going to stay in for me while I'm running and doing the like. So this is the right one. Just made a noise when I put it in my ear. Okay. So that is pretty good. Let me put the other one in, let's see. See if I look techie with these in. Oh my gosh, I can like hardly hear myself. So these already, I'm extremely impressed with how noise canceling these actually are. I had no idea that it would be this good right off the bat. I don't even know if I've turned it on or if it's just, if you have to turn the noise canceling on or if they're just like that. This is great. I'm pretty impressed. I'm just going to do a little weird test for myself just to see if these are gonna stay in my ear. So, I mean, they're not going anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to play some music just to get an idea of what the sound quality is for these. It's a little bit hard to portray that on video, but I'll just give you my first impression. Let's go ahead and select some music here. So these are pretty excellent sound quality. And like I've said before, I'm not big on tech. I'm pretty average or below average when it comes to knowing and being up to date on the latest and greatest. So for me, these have excellent sound quality, and unless you're very picky about something like that, I think you would be impressed as well. So I'm going to go ahead and remove, whoa. So that is, let's do this again. Okay. Okay. Wow. It is incredible, the noise canceling abilities of these headphones. I am so impressed just right off the bat. It's so weird because I don't know if you've experienced this, if you've used noise canceling devices before, but when you take it out, when you take one of these out of your ear, it's like you've entered a whole different dimension because you're in your own little world when both of the AirPods are in. And when you take one out, it's like you hear the rest of the world again. These are pretty excellent just on first impression. So just to give you an idea of the total cost that these Apple AirPod Pros cost me out of pocket, I ended up spending $268.59 after tax. It's so ridiculous for me to say that number out loud because I have never bought wireless earbuds before, and that just seems like an outrageous amount of money to be spending. I am going to be really interested in the coming weeks to see whether or not these hold up and do what I need them to do in terms of using them for my everyday life and for school. Another reason that I decided to purchase these AirPods is because they are noise canceling. I'm really interested to see how these AirPods compare in their noise canceling abilities to my current Bose headphones that I use for school and studying. I am hoping that these replace them because they are much lower profile, and with everything that I have to carry in my backpack for school, I do not want another big bulky thing in my backpack. So if I can just rely on these in those long study sessions in the library that I need those noise canceling headphones, I'm going to be really excited because it's a lot lower profile. I will be extremely impressed and happy. Thank you so much for watching this Apple AirPod unboxing video. If you liked this video, please like it, and if you would like to see more videos like this and to follow my journey to and through medical school, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting videos twice a week. I'm really excited to use these for school and for everyday life, and I will be back with a review video in a few weeks just to give you an idea of how they're working out for me and whether or not I think they're worth the purchase. So thank you for watching this video, and until next time.